Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. Today we'll show you how to allow extensions access to file URLs in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the More button at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click on it. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the browser's settings page. Step 3. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click on Extensions to explore extension-related options. Step 4. Find and select the extension you want to grant access to file URLs, then click on Details. Step 5. Within the extension details, locate the Allow Access to File URLs option and turn it on. By following these simple steps, you can easily allow extensions access to file URLs in Chrome on your PC. This feature enables extensions to interact with local files, offering you enhanced functionality and convenience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.